Zhengshan Pulido Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in the small town of Zhengshan City, Guangdong Province. It is a technology-based company integrating R&D, production, and sales. The company's total from zero, the number of employees is from zero exceeds 100. The company has more than 10 years of experience in the production of smart door locks and has obtained ISO 9001 quality management certification. The manufacturing center has advanced 5S and production quality management systems. Has several patents and honorary certificates. Keep improving. Every product strives for no difference. Every production process is strictly implemented and managed in accordance with the SOP operation process. To ensure that every product is of consistent product quality, providing world-class products is our belief. Every Pulido is conscientious and conscientious. Do it to the extreme. This is our attitude. From product research and development to technological innovation, from process manufacturing to quality inspection, Pulido has always insisted on product stability and functional innovation as its comprehensive brand competitiveness, and has been recognized by domestic and foreign customers and the industry. We have a strong sales team, honest service, customer first. Worry about what customers worry about what customers are anxious about, and solve problems for a customer. We pursue the details of every product. Each batch of products has passed our multiple strict inspections, and each product is strictly inspected beyond the industry standard. Guarantee that every product is the best in the hands of consumers. This is also our consistent pursuit. The company's products are sold all over the world, and it has formed long-term and stable cooperative relations with customers in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other countries. Let's cooperate together to win the public.